Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can fix your blue screen of that like this one. So in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can fix it several ways. This can cause different problems from it, but there are some steps that you can try and see if it works or not. So let's get started. So the first thing that you have to do is to go to start and type in run like this, and click on the first one, this one, and you have to type now %temp% like this, %temp%. Okay, click OK, and here you're gonna press Ctrl+A to select everything and then delete everything. These are just temporary files, so it should not be any problems with your PC if you delete this. So I'm gonna delete it myself. As you can see, I deleted everything. Folder is empty. Now the second command that you can try is this one, Prefetch. It's again, go to start and run and type in this Prefetch. Click OK. And this, if it says you don't have permission to access this folder, just click continue. And now you should have access to it. So again, I'm gonna press Ctrl and A and delete everything. Delete. And if this pops up, go to do this for all current items and click on skip. This is because this file is currently used now, so you cannot delete it right now, so just leave it as it is. Okay, so the last thing that you can try is to go to this directory, to program data Microsoft Windows Defender scans and history. Is go to start and type in this PC, launch it. Then here go on C, on local disk C, if you installed their Windows. But as you can see, I don't have the program data, so we need to enable to see the program data because it is a hidden folder. So go to start and type in folders, and then change search options for files and folders. Go to view, and here show hidden files, folders and drives. Click OK, and now as you can see, program data is right here. Then go to Microsoft, and then we scroll down until we see the Windows Defender. We have to search for Windows Defender. Again, if it asks you for permission, just go continue. Then go on scans, history, and here we delete everything here. Do this for all current items. Continue. If it says this, just go to try again. If it says again, just go cancel, and that's it. Close. And that's pretty much it. If nothing of this worked and you still have the blue screen, then you may need to restore your Windows system or clean reinstall it from USB device. I have a video on my YouTube channel. I will link it below the description how you can reinstall your Windows. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, ask me and I will try to reply to them if I know the answer. So, bye.